Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio and the last 2 days of the hashtag ATC a day 2018. And, I keep collecting these envelopes and then I end up with a bunch of them, and so I throw them away. And I collect them again and then I throw them away. So I figured it was about time I used some of them. So I had these two sitting there and decided, well, we'll just use them as background on this ATC. That was the only plan I had. Oh, and that other piece of paper that has like weird wording on there, that was a test print for some tags. I just copied and pasted something I had and filled the labels so that I would know if they were the right size, and then adjusted them. So I had this random sheet of weird computer lingo and thought I would stick that on there too. So there we go. So yeah, it doesn't mean anything, it's just gibberish. Now, the labels, I was just playing around. I'd found this package of these tags. They're really tags, not labels. These tags. And so I was just playing around with them and created a little thing that said Shelley Studio. So I'm like, I've got them. So we're going to just play with it and put it on my tag. Put it on my ATC. I wanted it in color, I didn't want it white, so. And these were from Avery. I couldn't find an Avery file with this size, or with the model number either, so they probably no longer make these. And they were hard to get off the backing. And they're not sticky, but they stick onto the back. It's weird. Anyway, so it was hard to get them off without deforming them or tearing them, so that's probably why they don't do them anymore. Or that could have been because they were really old. I don't know. So I'm just decorating my little tag that's going to go on to my ATC. I think I was testing to see if there was enough ink on that stamp pad to do this. That is a really old stamp pad. Figured I would put my bird on there. Now we're going to put the tag on. Oh yeah, I decided it needed some string, so that's just some baker's twine. I think I picked that up at Michael's at some point. I've had it for a while. That stuff lasts forever when you only use it for random crafting. And I decided to spread out all the different threads so that it looked fuller. There we go. Oh, and the stencil I'm using is a Diane Reevely stencil that I got at Joann's. Sorry, I don't have the number with me. But it is one of Diane Reevely's little stencils. She has small circles and then medium-sized circles. I think this one is the medium-sized one. I'm going to glue that on. I'm not sure about the strings on there, but hey. It's just for fun. Fun art, not fine art. We got it. I grabbed my white pen to try and give it a little bit of highlights, because I covered up all my white. And that was day 29. So day 30 I decided to play with my Dina Wakley paints. And finger paint a little bit. Oh, I did gesso this card before painting so that I could do this where you lift up the color with a baby wipe. That was a pretty juicy baby wipe. It doesn't need to be that juicy. And so now I'm just going to layer my tag. That's one of my watercolor birds. I have a video on making those, I believe. I can link that below if I remember, hopefully. I'm just messing with stuff to see what I want to layer on here. So I decided just to use that matte medium to glue the burlap on. Trying to get those all flat and even. I guess they don't really need to be, but you know. I wanted to add this button, so we're going to put it there, and I'll use the binder clip to hold it on until it dries. There we go. And now we'll put our bird on. I really like the colors of this one. Bright and happy. Pulling out my words. Pulling out all my words. I think I said it in the last one, they're getting so few, I'm having a harder time deciding what I want to put on there. That needed to say, open your inner artist. I didn't have inner, so we're going to just put create. If we can fit it on there somewhere. Yep, it's going to go on the bottom. Just easier than dealing with that button. A reminder, those words are a download from Gina B. Aaron's design or Etsy store, and so I can always reprint them when I run out. So there it is, day 30. I think I got them all. I hope you've enjoyed seeing these creations. They were a lot of fun to do. If you liked it, please hit like, feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.